In a world, one man and his weight loss journey to go from fat to not that fat anymore. Wait, I'm sorry, guys. Can we start over? That's not right. Hold on. Hey there, my name's Hector, and this is my weight loss journey. I'm going to tell you how I lost 40 pounds in the last 2 months. No, I'm sorry, guys. I can't do this. All right, let's take this back to where this all started. The moment you realize
Dad, I need help.
you become a big fat dude.
Dad, I need help.
Do you like my big belly?
Yeah.
Yeah? It makes a comfortable pillow for sleeping. All right, wait. Hold on. Fun fact here. I was actually sucking in this whole video. Okay, go. How about my man boobs?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Hopefully I can have a video one day that shows how much weight I've lost. Have you ever seen a video where you're in the background and you have no idea the camera is on? That's pretty much how people see you when you don't see them see you. I was cleaning up after the Eat It or Wear It challenge, and I still had the 50mm in the living room filming outside, and I completely forgot that it was on. It wasn't until I was in my editing bay when I came across this footage. It was about this time where I realized I've got a pretty big problem, and if I don't do anything about it now, it's only going to get worse. I never wanted to be that guy. I never wanted to be that dad. I always imagined my kids looking at me like that dad. No, even better. That dad.
You just go? No. I heard it go. Well, a little bit, maybe.
So I decided I was going to turn my life around. The smartest guy I know, my best friend Paul, told me about this keto diet and intermittent fasting. The first week I lost a lot of weight, and I still wasn't even working out. I was just straight dieting. So about a month into dieting and losing a good amount of weight, I decided it was time I head back to the gym. I found motivation all around me. I started surrounding myself with people who inspired me. I took that motivation and I ran with it. And that was the best decision I ever made. And now, 60 days later, I am 40 pounds lighter. This is 60 days into my weight loss journey. I've been fasting and keto for the last 60 days. And I've only been working out for, how long have I been working out? 4 weeks, 5 weeks?
A month, maybe?
So I've been dieting for about 2 months and I've been working out for about a month. And this is the first time I'm gonna take off my shirt on camera. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little scared, so.
You look great, babe.
All right. This is 60 days into my weight loss journey. I've still got a lot of ways to go, but from where I was a month ago, where I was 2 months ago, I'm just excited to share this journey with you, to show you the ups and downs, to help you if you are or want to be on this same journey. If you like what you saw today, hit that like button. And for more videos, smash that subscribe button, guys.